If you think of your checking account as your spending money, think of your savings account as the vault where your money is securely locked away until you're ready to use it. Savings accounts are for building up your financial goals. You can use them for short-term goals, like an emergency fund, or for long-term goals, like a vacation or a college fund. Traditional savings accounts don't accrue many dividends or interest, but they are one of the safest places to park your money. That's because if you see the NCUA or FDIC sign, you know your funds are insured up to at least $250,000. Many banks and credit unions have a clever way of helping you save when you buy something with your debit card. They round up the change from your purchases and automatically put it into your savings account. Now that just makes perfect sense. A great way to think about saving is how squirrels hide their nuts for later, so they have them when they need them. If you happen to get money unexpectedly, like birthday money or a bonus at your job, put it directly into your savings account so you won't be tempted to spend it.
What happened when the squirrel checked its balance? It went completely nuts.
Keep your money safe and start building towards your financial goals by opening a savings account.